1B. This is on page 40 of your book. Here's 1B. They give us, find the number in A union B. They tell us that the number in A is 7, the number in B is 12, and they're telling us A is a subset of B. Okay, so let's draw a Venn diagram to illustrate that. We have S just to denote our universal set. They're telling us A is a subset of B, so there's A, there's B. So the number in A is 7, the number in B is 12, so in order to get our 12, we're going to have to add 5 to 7. Okay? So they want the number in A union B is equal to the number in A plus the number in B minus the number in A intersection B. So the number in A is 7 plus the number in B is 12, but can you see that the intersection is 7? So that's going to equal 12. Good. The next question was number 12. The 29 students in Mr. Victor's class use a variety of forms of transformation to get to school. 20 of them sometimes arrive at school in a car, 12 bicycle at least occasionally, 16 take a bus some days. If 4 students use all 3 of these options, 6 either bike or take the bus, then come by car or bike. 10, that should be 10. And 9 arrive by car when they do not come on the bus. How many use some other type of transportation? Okay, so let's draw a Venn diagram of this. We have S for the universal set. We have some taking all 3, so we know that's going to look like that. We have, I'll put car here, bike here, and bus here. So 29 there's 29 students in Mr. Vickers. They use a variety of forms. 20 of them sometimes arrive at school in a car. So we can't do that. We're going to have to work backwards. We know that 4 students use all 3 of these options. Okay. 6 either take the bike or the bus. So bike or bus is here. That's 2. 10 come by car or bike. So 10 come by car or bike. So that's a 6. 9 arrive by car when they do not come on the bus. 9 arrive by car, so they do not come on the bus. 9 come by car. This is where it's hard when they do not come on the bus, so that's 5. Very hard to interpret. I wouldn't give you one like this. That's so hard to interpret. How many of them use some other forms of transportation? Well, we know that 20 of them sometimes arrive in a car, so 6 plus, we need 5 more here. 12 bike, so we've already got 12 for the biking, so 0 is there. And 16 take the bus some days, so we've got 9, 10, 11. We're at 11, so we need 5 more here. Whew. Very hard to interpret, and I can understand why you would have difficulty interpreting that. However, how many use some other forms of transportation? So if we were to do the number in the car, union, bike, union, bus, we would get 5 plus 6, 11, 15, 20. This is 27. But there are 29 in his class. So 29 minus 27 is equal to 2. So that is equal to 2. Is that okay? Huh? Some other method other than car, bike, or bus. So I guess they're walking or skateboarding or something besides car, bike, or bus. Were there any others you'd like to look at before I close off? No?